What's up, guys? Biker Dave here and one of the most neglected things on a golf cart is the tire pressure. Now, of course, it depends on your cart, your manufacturer specifications, your size of your wheel and tire set. So it really depends. But just, every so often, maybe once or twice a year, just check the tire pressure, because these, especially electric carts, if they have extremely low tire pressure, that really hurts the range driving the cart, because like most of these come in to our shop, they only have like 3 to 5 psi in them, and that is not even close to being enough. Even the small 10-inch wheels need about 15 to 20 psi, and as you go up larger wheels and tires, maybe to 25 psi. So just view your owner's manual, check out your manufacturer specs on it, but just check your tire pressure every now and then. It'll really help the range of your electric cart. And if you're in North Atlanta looking for a club car dealer, look for the links in the description. Golf Cars of Canton in Canton, Georgia, and we're about to open a second location, which will be in Woodstock, Georgia, and I'll have links in the description for that, so check it out.